Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Avoalre Christmas tree topper projector. It's a light star for the tree or for other decorations, of course. It's a tree topper for Christmas decoration. You can't buy it as snowflake or as a golden star, as you can see. Nice, really cool. It looks so beautiful on top of your Christmas tree. This is a light tree topper with rotating LED adjustable light in gold for Xmas trees, for as topper, for gift, for bedroom or decoration. You can see it's a big bunch of possibilities. This snowflake Christmas tree or star golden Christmas tree topper has unique hollow out design and golden shiny powder which covers the entire surface of this Christmas tree topper. It must be the perfect finishing touch on our Christmas decoration. The Christmas tree topper could create incomparable Christmas atmosphere. Moreover, the magic projector will bring warmth, sweet, and happiness throughout our house if we like Christmas. The built-in rotating projection light in the middle of the star shell, it could project amazing snowflakes image not only on the ceiling, but also on the wall, even outside by adjusting the degrees of LED projecting light, and further from the ceiling or wall, 10-meter maximum. Larger projection of snowflakes. This magic projector will bring us to a magic world, with multiple moving snowflakes as well as dozens of small moving particles. And lightning on our Christmas tree topper. Only need one step. We have to plug it in with power. It's also easy to insert into the tree top. This Christmas tree topper light has 3-meter power cable, which is suited for the most kinds of Christmas trees. Wonderful tree topper light only be used in Christmas season. Haha, that was a joke. You can use it the entire season, from January until December and above. This item absolutely could also use as a bedroom light, a gift or a decoration of children's party. That's awesome. And more better is CE LVD and CE EMC certified. Our children won't be hurt by this tree topper because every corner of the star Christmas tree topper is designed smoothly. In addition, considering suddenly dropped situation, this Christmas tree topper light is designed in light white. The non-toxic premium material PVC and the low voltage LED bulbs, only 14 volt. That's not only ensure for family and pet safety, but also protect environmentally. Because of the unique technology, the gold powder on the surface of the tree toppers will fall off in some informative situations, and it will stick to human sand or skin. But this is beautiful. But it will be off after washing, no problem. That's no problem, okay? Don't be hurt of this. Oh no. Christmas is coming. The decoration of our Christmas tree is ready for now. The Avoalre offers us more creative Christmas tree decorations to make our Christmas tree unique. The built-in snowflake projector adds a beautiful glow to our Christmas tree. The projection high-definition snowflakes and perfect dynamic patterns. Shiny snowflakes move frantically across the ceiling of our home. We can decorate a magical world for our Christmas Eve. We have 3D rotating snowflakes projector lamp 180 degrees, flexible to adjust the direction of the projection. The Christmas tree Star Street topper features hollow design with a shiny gold powder, which can add sparkling light to our Christmas tree and gives us a warm Christmas mood. And it's not only for Christmas decoration, also great as LED nightlight projection for kids and adults. No, that's awesome because it does not have only in the Christmas time. No. The entire Christmas and summertime is ready for this decoration here. And plug and play, CE certified, safe to use. It can be used for festive decoration of the house, decoration of shops, restaurants, bars, shopping malls, halls, etc. The farther from the ceiling, the larger that the projection range is possible. For example, if you project it only 1 meter above, it's a small projection, but high D. If you project it 10 meters away, it's a large area, but it's not so sharp, okay? But it's enough to see, and it looks beautiful to see. And it's all in the box what we need. 3.6 watt low power voltage, very safe for kids and children. Plug and play, easy to use, applicable scenes as Christmas decoration, home decoration, 3 to 10 meters projection distance. It's according to CE, LVD, and EMC standards. So that's what it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.